In today's video, we will be comparing two popular compact laundry appliances, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT portable washing machine and the Euhomy compact dryer. Both are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments, RVs, and dorms. We will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is right for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE's portable washer offers a generous 11 pounds of washing capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Euhomy compact dryer has a drying capacity of 6.5 pounds, which means you may need to run multiple cycles for larger laundry loads. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you have a lot of clothes to wash and dry. The COMFEE's portable washer features 6 wash programs, including normal, quick, heavy, and more, allowing users to customize their washing experience based on their laundry needs. Meanwhile, the Euhomy compact dryer offers 7 drying modes, including EKO mode and anti-wrinkle, providing versatility in drying options. This variety in programs can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your laundry process. Both appliances are designed with energy efficiency in mind. The COMFEE's washer includes energy-saving features that help reduce water and electricity consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for laundry. Similarly, the Euhomy dryer has an EKO mode that optimizes energy use while still providing effective drying. Choosing energy-efficient appliances can lead to lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. In conclusion, both the COMFEE's portable washer and the Euhomy compact dryer offer unique advantages for those living in small spaces. The washer excels in capacity and wash options, while the dryer provides versatile drying modes and energy-saving features. Depending on your specific laundry needs, one may be more suitable than the other. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.